In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AMP in Tradingview. Tradingview is a widely used platform for market analysis, and connecting it to AMP, an advanced trading platform, can significantly enhance your trading experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate over to Tradingview's website. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.tradingview.com in the address bar. Once the page is fully loaded, you will be greeted by the main interface of Tradingview. This is where all the trading magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Now, one of the key features you'll want to access is the Supercharts option. Direct your gaze to the user toolbar, and there you should spot the Supercharts link. By clicking on this, you'll be transported into a world of comprehensive charting, highly beneficial for your trading analyses. With Supercharts opened, we aim to open the trading panel, a vital tool for executing trades directly from Tradingview. You'll find the trading panel at the bottom of your charting interface. Click on it, and it should smoothly slide into view, displaying a list of available brokers and platforms you can connect to. Once you have the trading panel visible, look for the option labeled Show All Brokers. By selecting this, you are expanding the list to see all the brokerage services Tradingview can connect with, including those you might not have considered before. From this exhaustive list, your task is to locate AMP. Depending on the number of broker options displayed, you might need to scroll a little, but AMP should be fairly easy to find. If you're having trouble, remember that most lists are in alphabetical order, making AMP one of the earlier choices to appear. After you've successfully spotted AMP within the list, your next move is to click and connect. You'll do this by selecting AMP, which typically prompts a connection dialog. Here, you'll likely need to enter your AMP account credentials. Input these carefully and confirm the connection. By finalizing this step, you ensure a smooth data flow between AMP and Tradingview. And there you have it. You've successfully connected AMP with Tradingview. This seamless integration enables you to leverage both platforms' strengths for a more efficient and comprehensive trading setup. Always remember to double-check your credential entries and ensure you're logged into the correct account to avoid any unnecessary confusion. This connection offers you direct access to AMP's trading capabilities right from Tradingview's sophisticated charting interface. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough informative and easy to follow. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, feel free to consult Tradingview's support documentation or AMP's customer service for more detailed help. Happy trading!